Hi my friends, and welcome back to our structured text programming language tutorial. In this lesson we will talk about the splitting up the PLC programs and what I want to say about it. A PLC program must be split into many small program pieces in order to have a good and clear program structure. And when you split the program, PLC programs, these piece of code are called the program modules, function and functional blocks. And we talk in our semantic manager, and also we will talk about it in our TIA portal, what is the difference between the function and functional blocks. And also in our next lesson we'll also talk about the difference between the function and functional blocks. And also, to obtain a good structure, it's a good rule to have only 20 or 25 lines of PLC code in each program modules, function or the functional blocks. Also, my friends, when you split the program into pieces, the execution order can easily be changed, and program modules and function can easily be made inactive during the fault finding. And firstly, my friends, I want to talk about the functions. What is the functions? Functions are important building blocks in PLC program. A function contains a limited number of code lines to be used, and we used function again and again if we want to do something. For example, we want to open and one valve, we can declare and define function, and then we use it for different valves. So function have the syntaxes like we have the, for example, my function, and we must close it. Also, my friends, this function is not take the parameters. If we want to declare a function which get the parameters, we write it like this, for example 2 and 3. Also, we can declare a function with the default value, like for example we have some variables var1, v1, and we assign some number to it. Also, we declare the var2 and assign the value from var3. And also, my friends, we during the definition of function we can make function which declare the input and output variable before the start of function. For example, we have var1, and we want to make this variable in parameters. We write the value in here. And if we want to declare var2 like the output, we declare it like the value out. And if you faced with the functional blocks in any PLC programming, it seems like this. Oh, sorry. This side is our var1, and this side is our var2, and here we have the my functional block, my fun, and here's our var1, and here is our var2. And my friends, here I made some mistake. For output variable we use the for output and out and in variable we use this sign. And also in this lesson I want to talk about the main difference between the function fc and fp. When we declare the functions, the simple function fc, PLC code excluded static data. And what does it mean? It means that all local variables lose their value when the function ends. And about the functional blocks, when the PLC code execute the code, or you declare the functional block in PLC, PLC code includes static data, and the local variable retains their value between each call to the function. And you can use this function in our counters, in motor state or another value in your programs. And now let's write the syntax of functional blocks and functions, and in the next lesson we will build some example with the function and functional blocks. So when we declare the function, first we write the function word, then we write the name of our functions, and then we declare the return data type of our function. Let's write it data type, and then we start to declare our variables. First is our var input, and here we declare the variable name, and we close the end our var input blocks. Then we declare our output variables, var output, and here we write the variable name, and also we close our var output blocks and var, and also we can declare the input and output variable var in out, and we declare our variable name and close our blocks. And finally we implement our code and we set the return value. So here, before, my friend, we declare the function. This I also make mistake here. This is the name of the return variable. So here we declare our code for function, and we set the return value. For example, we assign for the name value like name and 145, and at the end of the function we write end function. And for the functional blocks, we use the same logic, but we don't have declare the return value. So we do it like this. Let's copy it, and here we use the function block. We use the name, var input is the same, var output is the same, var input and output is the same, but here after we declare the var input and output, after end var, here we declare the local variable which store the retain data. So here we write the var and local variable, and use the end var. And also after that we declare the code for our function, for our functional blocks, and use the end function word to close our functional blocks. So my friends, here one notice again, in the function, the name of the function which will must be the same with return value, otherwise you get error or maybe your function is not working correctly. So my friends, that's all for today, and in the next lesson we will build some example with the functions and functional blocks. So I wish you good health and good like, subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoy the video. See you in the next lesson.